Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Rakuten Advertising Partner Portal easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Rakuten Advertising Partner Portal. Press enter to access the portal. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your credentials, double-check for any typos. Click on the Login button to proceed. If this is your first time logging in, you may be prompted to accept the terms and conditions. Read through the terms carefully and click Accept to continue. After logging in, you will be taken to your dashboard. Here, you can view your campaigns, earnings, and performance metrics. If you need to update your profile, navigate to the Settings section. To ensure security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. For confirmation of any changes, always check your registered email for notifications. Once you have completed your setup, explore the various tools and resources provided. Utilize the Help section if you encounter any issues or need further assistance. This concludes the authentication process with the Rakuten Advertising Partner Portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.